Top 20 for Air Purify Plants to bring greenery into your house. Plants use photosynthesis to eliminate pollutants from the air we breathe and change the carbon dioxide we exhale into new oxygen. Well-known houseplants that have been shown to remove harmful substances from indoor air, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Let's explore top 20 for indoor air purify plants. Devil's Ivy Epipremnum aureum. This plant just needs watering when it's dry and prefers indirect sunlight. Its name comes from the fact that it's almost hard to kill and maintains its green color, even when maintained close to complete darkness. Partly philodendron hederaceum. The Hartley philodendron is a fast-growing, incredibly forgiving houseplant that grows well in low to high light and has glossy heart-shaped leaves. Snake plant, the Rakiona tree fasciata. This striped green may endure in low light and water conditions. It's regarded as one of the easiest houseplants for novice gardeners to care for because it may go weeks without needing attention. Tin-striped Calathea ornata. It is preferable for experienced plant parents to take care of the tropical plant because it requires a bit more maintenance. It is a fantastic choice for kitchens and bathrooms because its soil has to be kept moist, and it grows well in high humid. Aloe vera. This tropical succulent thrives in any area, from the office to the bedroom, as long as it receives plenty of sunlight. It's an excellent houseplant for beginners because it doesn't need to be watered frequently. Bromeliad bromeliaceae. The striking and non-toxic houseplant, also called the flaming sword plant, brings a splash of color to any area. It requires regular misting and watering to maintain its center reservoir, and it enjoys strong sunlight. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are another excellent choice for novice gardeners. They require lots of water and bright, indirect sunlight to thrive. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomiotis. The Chinese money plant lends curiosity to interior spaces with its distinctive spherical leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and is the ideal size for a plant stand, end table, or windowsill. Flamingo lily anthurium. This plant, which is naturally found in rainforests, requires water, humidity, and indirect sunlight to thrive. It can produce gorgeous red blossoms that can spruce up your area all year round. Peace lily spathiphyllum. This budded plant, a sign of sympathy, blooms for roughly 2 months in the spring and does well in humid regions and partial sunshine. Gerbera daisy. Bring some sunshine into your home with this vibrant daisy, although it can be challenging. You can also cultivate the plant outside and arrange the cuttings in a vase for presentation. Watermelon peperomia. This air purifier is low maintenance and perfect for beginners or those who are health conscious, non-toxic, safe, and fashionable for any house with distinctive eye-catching greenery. English ivy hetera helix. This trailing plant, whether in a standard or hanging planter, will add flair to any interior. Simply set the quickly spreading plant in low to bright, direct sunshine and water it when the soil feels dry to maintain its health. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums are among the greatest houseplants for air purification since they eliminate the majority of indoor contaminants. According to NASA, the flowering plant can be left indoors for only a few weeks but it needs very little maintenance. Queen Fern Nephrolepis obliterata. This easy-to-grow fern can withstand direct sunlight if the soil is maintained moist, but it prefers bright indirect light. It thrives in damp environments, so the kitchen or bathroom are ideal places for it. Rubber plant Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is a low-maintenance plant that also looks bold because to its glossy, dark green and burgundy foliage. In good care it can reach a height of 8 to 10 feet. Chinese evergreen aglaonema. The Chinese evergreen is a simple plant for novice indoor gardeners because of its tolerance for dryness and low light levels. Your plant may even bloom like a calla lily if it receives enough sunlight. Bamboo palm Semidoria sephritzi. Consider planting a bamboo palm if you have the available area. When the palm surface feels dry, water it and place it in a well-dirty planter in indirect sunshine. Phytonia franchi Phytonia ordinariura. Phytonias, also referred to as nerve plants, are low-maintenance indoor air purifiers. Provide them with bright indirect light, moist soil and a high relative humidity. Z plants Amuchulca zamifoliac. The Z plant can withstand extremely low light levels and thrives well in a dry environment. The reason Z has gained popularity as a houseplant is its ability to survive in less than ideal and broad lady palm Rapis excelsa. This plant is perfect for dark areas since it can eliminate toxins and can withstand low light levels. It can reach a height of 6 feet. They require adequate drainage but prefer damp soil. Red edge Dracaena marcionata. This evergreen has a tropical appearance with crimson, spiky leaves that can brighten any area. It needs very little water and can live in both sunlight and shade. Weeping fig Ficus panomena. This big indoor tree has to be frequently watered and placed in a well-lit area. Remember that this plant can grow up to